बोलो
Let's start cooking.
The time has come to say goodbye to you all.
Let's cut this cake. Cut. Cut now. Happy birthday to you.
This is my cake.
Awesome.
My cake is
Nice cake.
Oh, she likes it. Hello. Oh. Hey, brother will come. हम go जाएंगे. Let's see. Okay.
Let's open the main hero of the party. Yeah, here we go.
Sushi was
Give it. Yes. Enough. I don't need that much cake. Take it. Keep it fresh now. Otherwise, when someone wants to eat more, then take it now. Take it more. Now, it is okay. We can take it by like this only. No need to put it in the plate. You can give the rice now if you don't want to eat more. Otherwise, nang pira ka draw. Nare chak phone uk na hai. Sir.
बोलो.
Let's start cooking. Let's begin our party.
Today I am here to share my experience in Bosco Tech. Today is a special day for all of us because the time has come to say goodbye to you all. This is the last time I will be addressing you all. I have a lot of memories of this place which shall remain with me till the end of my life. This institute gave me precious memories which are truly priceless. It has been 3 months since I joined Bosco Tech. It's an honor to study, play and have fun with you all and spend a good time with you all. We have learned many things which is it is going to be helpful in our future as you guys are about to step on the next phase of your life journey. On this special day, I hope we will always keep in touch with each other and keep updating each other. Special thanks to all the wonderful teachers who guided us and give us such wonderful knowledge which is going to helpful in the future. And I want to thank my multimedia teacher, Sir, for being a supportive, helpful and friendly teacher and always ready to help every student and ready to explain any doubt multiple times. I have learned many things from you, sir. Thank you. And I apologize also if I have done any mistakes during my course. And I also thank both the English teachers, awesome teachers, Samal sir and the Lily Miss, who encouraging me to improve my soft skills and also the English speakings. Today I am here in front of you and delivering my speech is only possible because of you all, of your guidance. Otherwise it would be impossible for me to stand in front of you all and delivering my speech. In the end, I would like to thank you all the such good friends and good teachers for giving me a good experience and a direction in my life. Wishing you all the best and for your everything you do in your life. Thank you and best wishes for your future.